Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an extension for taxes using TurboTax. Filing an extension gives you an additional 6 months to submit your federal tax return. However, it's crucial to remember that an extension does not give you more time to pay any taxes you owe. You must still estimate your tax liability and pay any amount due by the original tax deadline to avoid penalties. To begin, log into your TurboTax account and navigate to the File section. Look for the option to file an extension, which usually involves Form 4868. TurboTax makes this process straightforward, guiding you step by step to enter your personal information and confirm your intent to file an extension. It's designed to be user-friendly and efficient. It's important to understand that filing an extension primarily helps you avoid late filing penalties, which can be significant, often 5% per month on the unpaid tax. Even if you don't think you owe taxes, filing an extension is a good safeguard. Always ensure you pay any estimated taxes by the original deadline to prevent interest charges and additional penalties. Once you've successfully submitted your extension through TurboTax, you'll receive a confirmation. This extra time is valuable, so use it wisely to gather all your necessary tax documents and ensure accuracy. Just remember, the extension is for filing, not for paying. Be sure to submit your complete tax return before the new, extended deadline to remain compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.